Hey, welcome back to The Girl Habit. I just saw her perform at Coachella last week, and I always really admire her hair. So I thought today, why don't I try and recreate that big curly hair? Now I'm going to start emphasizing the curls. Her has hair that's very textured and curly, like the perfect curls. So I want to try and recreate that. My hair is a few days old. I haven't washed it, so before I get started, already something like that's going on. It's literally just hanging out there like that. Before I get started with the curling, I am going to be using some of Playa's New Day Mist. It's my new favorite product for those in-between wash days. I'm going to apply this very generously, and it kind of just makes your hair come back alive, gives it more volume, and it smells really good. So then I just start scrunching. Since I am going to be using a curler, I want to protect my hair a bit. I'm going to be using Playa's Ritual Hair Oil. Always important to protect your hair when using heat tools. I want to try and wind these up as best I can get the tightest curl. So these are really, really tight curls. I'm really doing a scattered curl, so I'm not going through every strand, but just making it look overall even. You can already tell the difference between this side and this side. Her hair is really big, like really, really big. So I'm gonna add even more volume. I'm gonna be using Playa's Soft Volume Powder. I'm gonna start drizzling it through. I have a little technique that I like to do to even get the hair even bigger. Some of these curls can be raked through a bit to create more volume. You just sort of piece them out and spread them out. I'm going to use the New Day Mist again to zhuzh it up even more. You can get rid of any frizz. Her takes pieces in front. In order to create this line dividing the front section of the hair, I'm going to use this, it's like a big toothpick to do that precisely. Okay, now that I have these two divisions, I'm going to go ahead and put some of the hair up. Her does two high pigtails and the rest of her hair down. So I'm going to be dividing the hair. I'm going to put this, I'm going to divide the hair in this part on the top. And then I'm going to tie up the bottom so I can see the separation pretty clearly. I'm going to take these rubber bands to tie each pigtail separately so that you can't see it. And split the hair. I feel a little bit like a Spice Girl. So you can see the two separate pigtails and how I divided it in the front. So this is her hair. Her hair was just blowing in the wind, and she was singing, and she was playing the guitar. I love her so much. I can't play a single instrument, but at least I can try and replicate her beautiful hair. Thank you so much for watching. This is The Girl Habit. Mwah.